Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. Happy Friday. We're going to review some stocks. Before that, please have a look at our disclaimer. All right. Okay, the first stock we're going to look at is SPY. SPY finally broke out of this expanding diagonal, okay? And we're expecting a move to the upside, but we know there's a lot of resistance towards this area, okay? And true enough, now it's making another expanding diagonal, or maybe this is going to be like a diamond pattern. So let me show you how this one works. I remove this one, okay? We're expecting a move up, still to 770. So now it's looking like it's going to be forming a diamond pattern, okay? All right, if there's a diamond pattern here, then we are looking for a move. When it breaks above this high, we're looking for a push to the upside. So it's going to be like a pull, a correction, so an impulse, a correction, an impulse, okay? If it's going to end up to another expanding diagonal, then please guys be careful, because then there's going to be a lot of manipulation in the market. So it's going to be like this, again like this. So prices are then going to manipulate like this up and down. So people are going to buy the breakout and they're going to get caught. And it comes down, people think they're going to sell and they're going to get caught. Similar like this whole entire move from here to here. This might happen again. Okay, guys, so watch out, but we're still expecting SPY to head towards the upside. Next stock we're going to look at is IONQ. Let's see what's happening with IONQ. So let me remove this. Okay, IONQ, it's rejecting this left shoulder, or we call the Quasimodo level. So it rejected, it went up, and now it's trying to make a push back down. Okay, we have some sort of support around this area here. Okay, so we are expecting price to come down around this region here. And if we find some support, we're going to expect the price to start to push up like this. Okay, that's for IONQ. Next, we have RKLB. Okay, we drew this quite a while. There are two places that can possibly push. One is the top of the trend line. It did not push up here. So we made an ABC correction. We are looking for a push from the bottom part of the trend line. So currently, looks like the ABC correction has completed, okay, to the downside. And why I say that is because we have a nice diamond pattern. So it's like a impulse, correction, impulse. So this has more or less completed. And we are looking for, yeah, it's completed. So it's going to make a move to the upside. Where exactly it's going to go? We are looking for it to head towards 110. But ultimately, we look for price to come up to about 130. Okay, so we're expecting this price to break here, to come up here, and to break it and to go up to 130. All right, because we have a diamond, and normally when that happens, so it's impulse, correction, impulse, it'll probably go past the diamond and come and test around 130. So that's the expectation for RKLB, PLTR. Okay, Palantir is one of the stocks that we took in our channel, our live channel. So we have a nice pattern over here. Again, similar to what you see in RKLB. Okay, we have a diamond pattern here. So it's like impulse, correction, impulse. It's basically an A, B, C, D pattern, which I drew before. So it has come here and then it pushed up. So we're expecting price to go, let me see. Let me actually draw them for you and see. Let me remove all these lines. I don't need it now. So we're expecting price to push up to market cycle 3, which is anywhere between 137 and 140. Let's pick 140 because it's a round, psychological round number, okay? So we're expecting Palantir to go up to 140. I'm trying to see if I can catch some profits on the way up. Okay, so this is something that we predicted and we took as well in our here on in our channel. So we're expecting Palantir to go up to 140. Okay, guys. Before we move on, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. Create an account if you haven't created yet. We have all the sector heat map, top gainers, top loss losers. We have all the upcoming events with priority. Watch list you can add and create your own tickers. And remember, it's updated in real time. Okay. Also Discord, join if you have not joined. Upgrade to VIP if you see what you like. Going back, next stock we're going to have a look at is SOFI. Okay, SOFI is currently, let me remove all of this. Okay, SOFI is currently ranging, and I mentioned this before, so it's going to take some time. Okay, it's ranging in a triangle. Okay, so currently he's rejected here. In our channel, I've mentioned that we were bullish on SOFI, but up to this point, we know we have to let go. And then we're expecting SOFI to come back down around this level, which we already indicated with our alerts, and we're expecting SOFI then to push up. Okay, so it's quite straightforward for SOFI. We're expecting a move down before a move back up. Next, we have Meta. Okay, Meta rejected. Okay, hold on. Before that, let me show you guys. Let me remove all my drawings. And Meta is actually very simple. When Meta had the move up, I mentioned in our live Zoom that for those of you who want to buy around this area, before this bearish move happened, when it was going up, people was trying to say, no, can we get on Meta? I said, no, please do not get in on Meta because number one, you are heading towards the top of the channel. So there's a very high chance that it will reject. Number two, you're heading towards the end of the market cycle on this time frame. Yeah, like this. On a smaller time frame, you can actually see. Let me draw on a 4-hour chart. So it's like this, yeah. So we're heading towards a market cycle 3, and it's not so easy to break cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3 all at the same time. So if it doesn't respect this, it doesn't respect this, it will definitely more or less respect this 80% of the time, which it did. So it rejected, and we're expecting price to come to exactly where we expected to in our live channels I've mentioned. So two things that can happen. One, you'll start to push up again and try to break it once again. Probably might not break up, but probably form a double top. Or two, it can just come back down and hit towards the bottom part of the channel. Okay, so that's Meta. Next, it's NIBS is NBIS. Okay, let me remove all this first. So NIBS currently it's making a pullback. Okay, NIBS is making a pullback. So the pullback we're expecting using Fibonacci ratios, we're expecting a move towards the 38.2 to the 441 mark. Okay. So we're expecting the move to come down to this region. This will be a nice region to probably get in on the long. Okay. So NIBS is a bullish stock for now. It's a 5-wave pattern. So it's 1, 2, A, B, C of wave 3. Now we're making a wave 4 correction. And then we're expecting it to go up and test the 300 mark. That's NIBS. Last stock we have is SpaceX. So SpaceX, let's see what's happening. It started off strong, I remember, then it dwindled a bit. Now it's trying to climb back up. It broke out of this. Okay, SpaceX now it's still trying to push to the upside, but it's not entirely bullish yet. Okay, guys. So it's trying to go up, but this is practically just wave A, B, C, or wave 1. Then this is wave A. Probably what it's going to do is going to go up and going to come back down one more time like this. Okay. So this is quite an obvious move like this. Okay. And then we'll see if C can stay above this level where it is 0.0, which is about 147. If it does, then it's a small or early indication that SpaceX might try to climb back up. Okay, guys, that's about it for me. So thank you very much for joining us on a daily basis. So have a good weekend, and we will catch you next week. See you guys.